and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making a clay volcano and lighting about a kg of sugar rocket fuel in its crater. So yeah, this will be pretty fun. So first, to make the sugar rocket fuel we've got potassium nitrate, iron oxide and icing sugar. So what we're going to do is going to use 77% potassium nitrate, 32% sugar and 1% iron oxide. So let's get into the we're going to grab our mixing chamber. We're going to put that on the scales, turn the scales on, everything on. Do that to counterbalance the weight of the jar. Or about 77 grams in there. Close enough. Alright. Pour sugar. That should be enough. Then you got your iron oxide or rust, quite easy to find. About that much. Right, so we got our test right here. We're gonna give that a little shake up. Mix it in. Right. We have our test. Yeah. Right, so what I've done is I've filled up a toilet roll with the mixture because that's just a good thing to put it in as you burn it, because it's not worth anything. So yeah, we're going to light this on fire and see what happens. As you can see, it's burning pretty well, eh? Just think that's 1/10 of what we're actually going to be doing. That's fun. Ooh, that was warm. Yeah. It works. So yeah, that worked pretty well. Now we're going to scale up. It might not actually be a full kg because I'm not actually sure how much of this I have left, but we're going to use all of my potassium nitrate and then just work out what we need to use for the others. Alright, this will be fun. Right, let's get making the much larger batch. So we'll put it on there. Yeah, that's counterbalance. Right, we're going to put this whole thing in here. How much is that? 222 grams. Nice. Right. Yeah, this might be a little under a kg, but that's fine. Righty ho. This funnel might be a good idea. So I'll put that there. We'll do that. There we go. Awesome. So yeah, this isn't going to be quite a kg, but it's going to be pretty close. We were aiming for 770 grams of the potassium nitrate, but unfortunately we only have 604, but we can make do with that. So now, right, so 604 is approximately 77%. So 77%. So 77%. Oh. Right, that's all 770 we needed. We only need 160 grams of icing sugar. Right. So this might be actually a lot easier now. Come on, 160. This container's not big enough. Oh, that wasn't planned for. I deliberately got a big container like this because I thought it would be big enough to hold it all. this wasn't even the whole thing I was expecting to do, so that's interesting. Right, so we see another 55 grams in here. No, that's not gonna work. Alright, so let's add extra 45 into this. $45 grams into this. Yeah, that's close enough. Right. So now we have enough icing sugar. Now, I think I'm just going to use this whole thing here of the iron oxide, because probably was not even enough anyway, but yeah, let's use all of this. Empty that out into there. So what we're going to do now, we're going to mix all these things together. We'll mix them a little bit more once we put them into the volcano, since they're not all in the same container. It'll be easier that way, but I'm just going to do a brief mix now. Then we'll put them into the volcano's crater and see what happens. Right, so now that we've made the rocket fuel, we just need to make the volcano, and I've actually already done this, and I'm going to play a time lapse here, so of me doing it. Alright, so now that we've got the rocket fuel and the clay volcano made, we can go do this. Might just wait for it to get a little bit darker, then we'll go do that.
That actually does look like a real volcano. Especially if you can see the whole thing on the camera.
Now somehow I doubt the camera's picked up the volcano, but just the fine. Which is why I wanted to do this one with lighter.
Yeah, well, you could have done it.
Yeah, but Dad wanted to wait for you to get home. Can you not?
Wait, Christina, can me and you take a photo at the exact same time so I can use your flash?
You shine that light on the thing
Yeah,
again.
so Christina, 3, 2, 1, photo. My camera was a bit blurry.
Look, mine's almost out of battery.
It actually looks like multiple. That actually does look like a real volcano. Especially if you can see the whole thing on the camera.
Somehow I doubt the camera.